Now we will see certain features under Excel. So we have the first feature, like grid lines. Now this grid line says that the outermost, the spreadsheet which is shown over here if you will notice that gray lines are mentioned, right? So there's horizontal and vertical lines, gray lines will be removed under the head of the grid lines. Now this grid lines option you will find over here in the page layout. So if you will notice over here I have tick. If we will untick this button, these lines will be removed. Can you see the change? Yes. Okay, now if you want to see the print layout, again go over here and check out the print layout of this particular spreadsheet. If you'll notice over here the dotted line is appeared. This means that if you will control P, that means if you will give the command of the print, this area will be covered under your A4 size page for the printing purpose. Now let's tick it again. Done. Now the gray lines are visible under this thing. Now we'll go with the formatting wala option. Let's do one thing. Let's delete this data and let's write down 1000 over here. Now this 1000 which is appearing over here, I want to convert this 1000 into a number format. So under home tab there is a number formatting concept or number formatting tab feature. Over here if you will go and click on the general, you will find a without decimal the number is appearing. Now you want this number to be converted into currency. You'll now this 1000 ke yahan pe you will find rupees sign over here. Let's check it out. Yes, now you want this without fraction or with the decimal, so you can increase the decimal over here and you can decrease the decimals over here. Done. Now if you have this number in the percentage format, you will get this number in the percentage format. So many numbers, many features are available over here, like accounting, then percentage, fractions. You can explore it. Done. So accordingly I have shown over here certain things. You can check it out. On each thing, each number, each cell, if you will click, you'll find certain things are mentioned over here. This is accounting term, this is the fraction. Done. This is currency format, this is percentage format, this is general format, and accordingly you can do. Now if you want to change the cell formatting, this is called as cell. This is particular cell. Done. This formatting of the cell can be done under the Excel. You have many formats over here. You can change a number of things. Let's change the background color. Let's go with the blue. You will find the color has been changed. If you want to change the, you can font name, you can do it over here. You can increase the font, you can decrease it. Done. So n number of things can be done under this. Now we have the two formats, that is today and now. Let's go with that. Now if you will type is equal to now, this will return Arey, what is this? Sorry, we need to change over here general format. No, something has happened. Okay, you'll find the date and time has appeared, like today's date and time is appeared. Let's try it once again. Is equal to now, open bracket, close bracket, and press the enter button. You'll find a time over here, and this time will get updated as and when it is required or according to the time cycle. Now if you want today, you can check out the today. Is equal to today, open bracket, close bracket, and you will find the today's date over here. Okay, now we have this option. The data is available over here. name of the student, percentage and gender. So I'm going with the home tab again and going over here the option called as filter. The filter is removed now. Now again I'm going and applying a filter, right? So let's apply the filter. Now if you want to see the percentage, the one who has got the 90%, 98% or 75%, just click it over here and you will find the data of only the student who has got the 75%. Okay, this is always. Now again select all the data. Now if you want to see only and only data of the male candidates, done, click it over here, you will find the data of male candidates. Done. Now if you want to go for only females, click it over here, F, and you will find the data of the female. Done. Accordingly you can filter your data. Done. So you need to select the headings, then you need to go for the sort and filter option, and there you can clear the filter. If you clear the filter, you will get the original data. Done. So n number of things can be done over here in the Excel. This is the conditional formatting option. If you will select the data and you'll go to the conditional formatting, color scale, and you'll select the first scale over here. With this you will notice that the percentage, the lowest percentage are mentioned in the dark red and the highest percentage are mentioned in dark green. Okay, so for today's session or for this particular video, this is we are done. Okay.